In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your profits, your funds from Uphold to your bank account. I'm going to use XRP as an example in this training, so you want to pay attention when you want to withdraw your funds from Uphold. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow this channel for more information, because this is the place to be, to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. So let's go ahead and log into Uphold right now. If you don't have an Uphold account, click on the link below to get access to Uphold, and you can go ahead and start trading on it immediately when you click on the link below and get started. Now, right now, I'm logging to my Uphold account, and right here you see a balance of $2,800. Now, we're going to withdraw that money to the bank account. Now, the first thing I want to do is go to anything to anything. Now, one thing I want to tell you, you got to make sure you have the security stuff set up, which will be maining over here. Make sure you have the two-step verification set up. Use Google Authentication app to set that up. So you want to make sure you have that, either the Google Authenticator app or the Microsoft Authenticator app. Make sure you download that on your mobile device. Just search for it in your phone. So Play Store, Android, and it's also Apple phone. It will be an Apple Play Store, Apple Store, Apple Store. So let me go ahead and go back to the screen. Now, what we're going to do is look for our XRP first. So I'm going to select that, and we're going to do 1819 of the XRP. The next thing, the bank account. Now, if I don't have a bank account, all I do is click on this cross there, and I'll add it here. If it's a US dollar, Canadian, Euro, but this is going to be US dollar, and I just go from there. So you link that to your bank account based off your information from your bank account. But since I already have the bank account set up, I'm going to click right there. Now, that's the money that will actually be into withdrawal to my bank account, $27.93. We also can probably do a little bit more. Let me see if we can do a little bit more. So we're going to make sure we get all of it. So that's pretty close enough. So the next step would be preview withdrawal. Now, this is the 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app. Now, I have downloaded the Authenticator app on my mobile device, my Android phone. So all I got to do is click on the icon of the Google Authenticator app. So I'm logging into it right now, and I'm looking for it, and there it is right here. It's going to give me a 6-digit code. This is the code. It actually varies, so this is not really a complete code. Now, before I move on, and this expires, by the way, so it expires. So it's not like this code is not connected with me, like within the next couple of minutes, it will automatically expire. But before I do that, if you need to set up your Authenticator app, go right here and get started with that. Just click on help and follow these instructions. It also says you can go ahead and do it right here. So it says, what is two-step verification? You can click on there, and you can click on here to get a preferred app. Look at this, Google, you got Microsoft, and another one there. I would do Google Authenticator app or Microsoft. I'll keep it really simple and really easy. So now I'm going to go back to the confirm withdrawal. I will confirm withdrawal. See, verification code is valid, just like I was saying before. So I want to show you how secure that is. That means I have to jump on it pretty fast. Now, I'm going to go back on here. I'm going to add it back like I did before. And I'm going to look for my bank account, because XRP is going to my bank account. And that's $1, and it shows how much XRP is worth, basically. And then we'll see with preview withdrawal. Now it's going to give me a different number, a completely different number that is safe and secure. Click on confirm withdrawal. And voila, it's just done that. Now, it is just withdrawal. I've got a message on my phone that says your withdrawal is being processed. It should take 5 to 7 business days. Now, when this money is in my account, I will do another video to show you that it's actually in my account. So once it's in my account, I'll do another video just to show you just a little bit of it. I'm not going to show you everything on the bank account, but show you proof that it's actually going in my bank account to show you exactly what's going on here. And if I can go to transaction history, let me see if I can go to transaction history to show. Look at this. It says withdraw XRP. This is the amount of money. This is the amount in terms of tokens or coins. And it says this is the date that it happened. And also it should be in there between 5 to 7 business days. It could be there earlier than that, but if it is, I will come back and do a video to show you exactly where that went to and proof that this money is withdrawal to my account, just to show you that this does work and just to show you exactly that this is also safe and secure to do when you're investing on the Uphold platform. All right, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow this channel for more information that's going to help you, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. And I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, click on the link below, sign up on your Uphold account. Sign up today so you can start investing right now.